getting ready to rain, so we gotta move.
Hear that? That's the sound of money. You wanna know what the sound of money is? That's it. Ching, 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 ching. Ching, 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 ching.
This is old field tile. Trying to put a splice in the not easy way before it rains. So here we are, playing in the mud. Yay! I think my pants are going to be dirty after this. And that's how you do a splice in the field for the fun of it. Now what we gotta do is just lay this pipe down in there. Alright, well, I got it smoothed out. This is what it looks like after you get done roughing it all up. That field tile popped out when the farm flooded a couple years ago. Got washed out and I never fixed it. So I figured I might as well fix it. And it runs into this little ditch here, down into the river. I'll take you down here and show you the river. All this has to have, there's the pipe right there if you can see it. All this has to have some rock put around it and that. Clean it up. Now I'm gonna run into everything. Water all runs down here naturally. This was natural, I didn't ever put this in. It's because some of this field drains off this way. Runs down here into the river. I'll show you part of the farm. I can't go down there. Somebody's dumped bricks down here. That's from years ago. These bricks are from 30, 40 years ago. There used to be a house here at one time. It's probably what's left of the old house. But look at all those bricks. But here's the river, and then there's the farm. See that big cliff over there? The cliff kind of goes on all around the side. And that's rock at the bottom you see there. That's actually hardpan. And bedrock sticking out. Go up here and get a look. I don't come in here too often because normally this is all grown up in weeds in the summertime. But you can see how these trees try to adapt. These are maples and they just keep rooting out and trying to hang on. Sometimes this erodes out, sometimes it deposits dirt. You can see them on the far side doing the same thing. Just crazy. There's a tree way down in the river. So some more. Here's some flagstone. See, there's probably a structure here at one time. It wouldn't surprise me if there was a house right on the river. Back in the days, they never really cared where they put houses. They put them in all kinds of places. But yeah. So we got that done. Get a better view of it from here. That's what it looks like. So, all fixed up. I know it might be windy, but I kind of wanted to show you this. I'm up on this pasture. We're looking